Happy New Year, everybody. I hope you had a wonderful New Year, as I did. Went out to dinner last night. Then I went for a walk this morning. Then I came home and I started preparing to do these videos. It took me about 4 or 5 hours to get ready, but I'm ready. Got my detox tea with cayenne pepper, ginger, turmeric. Cayenne pepper, ginger, turmeric. Detox tea. So now we're going to get started on our video. So we're making hush puppies. And I also have 3 chicken thighs, pan frying. No grease. They're frying in their own oil. So let me get started. Whatever you do not be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone when it comes to your flavors. If you want to try something different, try it. Now, I'm making hush puppies. Now, back in the day, when I was doing festivals, me and my husband, this was one of our signature dishes, was the hush puppies. And they used to sell like hotcakes. I never measured when it came to the hush puppies. And that's the sugar. And I'm going to do some small measurements today, but because I was doing festivals and everything was just so much, I just dumped it in and just dump and go. And it came out good every time. Okay, I have some milk here. Now this calls for buttermilk, but because this milk is old, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Teaspoon of baking powder. This is my baking soda. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Anytime you're using baking powder, not baking powder, but buttermilk or something close to buttermilk, you always pretty much need baking soda. There's something about, I think they said the leavening in it that helps it. I'm going to add the sugar. I don't want to use too much sugar, so I'm going to go with 1/8 of a cup. Salt. Mediterranean sea salt. Use whatever kind you like. Whatever your family likes, that's what you use. And normally a teaspoon is good, or a teaspoon and a half, but a teaspoon. Onion powder. Gotta have onion powder. Because you want that good flavor. And make sure you preheat your oil. Get your oil going. Don't have it up too high because you don't want the first ones to burn. Y'all know I got that good, that garlic. Haven't added the other dry mixtures yet. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper. Don't overdo it. Okay. That's good. That was about a half a teaspoon. So we got garlic, onion powder, Himalayan sea salt, and pepper, and the sugar. Okay. Half a cup of flour. Half a cup of Masa flour. Masa, potatoes. Half a cup of cornmeal. Take this out. So I want to stir it with this. And you want this to be thick. And if it's not thick enough, just keep adding more dry. But before I get it too thick, I'm going to add green onions. And that's about maybe a little over 1/4 cup. Now this recipe right here was a request, who happens to be my sister, B from San Diego. I'm going to add a little bit more cornmeal, and I'm using the Albert's cornmeal. Use whatever type you like, because this is the Hush Puppies, and they say Hush Puppies originated back in the South when they wanted to keep the dogs quiet. They would give them a little bit of cornmeal stuff. They would fry it up and just throw it out there and say, "Hush puppy, hush puppy." Now how true it is, I don't know, but that's what they say. That's what they say. I added a little bit more of the Masa flour. And that's it. We don't need anything else in here. And this is what I'm going to use to do my measurements, to scoop it out and put it right up in this grease. And I'll be right back in a sec. Okay, here we go. The grease should be ready. And over here, I am cooking the chicken thighs. Take this out the way. Got these chicken thighs going. They're about ready for a flip. This doesn't take long at all. I'll be checking on the macaroni and cheese in a moment. So I'm going to flip these chicken thighs over. Remember, no grease. They're frying in their own grease. Their own fat. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look and see what we got going on over here. Oh, you can see it from here. Okay, cool. Now let's take a little quicker look. Another look. Okay. The bell means to check on the macaroni and cheese, and I'm going to do that in a second. But this is what chicken looks like when you fry it in its own fat. No added fat on this. Okay, I just checked on my oil over here. And it appears to be ready to go. The only thing I did forget is the spoon or the spatula to remove the hush puppies when they come out. Whenever you cook and stuff like hush puppies and things like that, it's always best to use a slotted spoon. This is not a slotted spoon. I got a million of them. How come I can't find one? So this is what I'm using. I'm going to put them in here and sit this in the sink. We're going to get started. I love hush puppies. Love them, love them, love them. They sell them at Golden Corral too when you're having your dinner, but it's not the same. And you don't want them too light. But just keep them moving. And I'm going to check on the macaroni and cheese and see how that's looking. I'm going in with the second batch. I've taken the first batch out. And remember, keep those hush puppies moving. Do not let them sit. Because if you do, you'll be sorry. So far, this is what we got. Isn't that beautiful? This is how you always want your hush puppies to look. This is what they're looking like. Keep it moving. Cooking is easy. Cooking is fun. Some dishes that you think are really difficult, not even so. Don't ever let anybody tell you that it's difficult, because it's not. Just wanted you to take a look at the macaroni and cheese. Remember, I got Gouda cheese up in there too. And this macaroni right along. And another way to tell if your hush puppies are ready, besides the color of the hush puppies, is to take some tongs. This is how we used to test them in the festivals. And just give them a squeeze. That's pretty much will let you know if they're ready or not. Just give them that good little squeeze. I just checked those chicken thighs and cut one open, and they are perfect. These hush puppies, I said I had enough. These things taste so good. After I did my first batch, the ones that are darker, I added 1 more tablespoon of sugar to the rest. So it was an 1/8 cup of sugar plus 1 tablespoon. So it's all good. So these will be ready in about maybe 30 seconds to a minute. I just turned the stove down. I adjusted the temperature on my stove. I put it up to 375. I put it back down to 350. So this should all be ready in about 10 minutes. So we shall return, my sweets. Dinner is ready, okay? We have macaroni and cheese, hush puppies. Remember, I only did 3 of these. There's 3 of us tonight, so we only need 1 piece of meat each. So this is 3 chicken thighs cooked in its own fat. No added fat, no deep fat frying. And I also have over here that I cooked in my Instant Pot earlier today. It took 1 hour to cook this earlier today. This is my red beans and smoked turkey tails. When I tell you this right here is good, oh my goodness. That's good. If you like smoked turkey tails, go for it. If you just like smoked turkey, period, go for it. But the macaroni and cheese, hush puppies, smoked turkey, here's my timer telling me everything should be ready. And the chicken, that's a wrap. That's dinner for tonight. Talk time. The potato salad. That's also a part of this meal. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-course meal. I enjoyed making it for you guys. And now we have some food to eat. And this is, again, New Year's Day. And most people bring in the New Year's with, a lot of people, not most people, a lot of people bring it in with black-eyed peas. I thought about it, but I said, I don't want black-eyed peas. I want something different because I eat black-eyed peas all the time. So I don't eat red beans all the time. So I did the red beans and the smoked turkey. I don't eat hush puppies. I haven't had hush puppies in a long time. So I did the hush puppies. Last time I had macaroni and cheese was for Thanksgiving, and I only had a little bit of that. And chicken. I eat chicken a lot. Potato salad. I don't eat potato salad a lot. But this is a nice meal. This is really a quick meal. And anything for me under 2 hours is considered a quick meal. If you can get it done in an hour, some meals I can do for you in an hour. Others, it's going to take a little bit longer. But a 2-hour meal is really a good meal, especially when it's homemade and it's from scratch. And that's what you always want. You want that scratch cooking. I try to do scratch as much as possible. When I can't do scratch, I don't worry about it. I just do what I can do. This is my detox tea. This is the second one of these I've had today with the apple cider vinegar, and it has a total of 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar per serving of these. So I've had 8 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar today. And I am doing the apple cider vinegar challenge, and today for me is day 2. But I'm still going to eat something because I'm hungry. And again, try this. Try this macaroni and cheese. Try these hush puppies, red beans, and smoked turkey, or whatever kind of meat you like. If you like ham hocks, ham shanks, hog maw, smoked turkey, whatever you like, that's what you use. This is what we like over here. So this is what we're using. The potato salad is really good. This chicken right here, I already know it's good because I tasted the sauce on it and it's good. So I already know that's going to be good. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs up anyway. Okay? But share this video with your friends, with your family. Let others know what we're doing over here, how we cooking it up. And I still have some more videos to do. And I got this German chocolate red velvet lazy German chocolate red velvet cake coming up soon. But that's going to be after I get some other stuff going. And I also have a request to do zucchini bread. Back in the day, as with these hush puppies, that was my all-time holiday favorite, the zucchini bread. And I used to love baking it, and I just got out of it. But I went and got my zucchinis today. Got my zucchinis, so they ready. Like I said, this is a request, so I will be making zucchini bread. And if you guys have something you want me to make, or you think I can make it, and you guys trust me with making it, leave it in the description bar below. Just say, hey, can you make this? Hey, can you make that? And I'm going to do my best to get it done for you. And thank you so much again. And thank you to all my 533, as of this video, 533 subscribers. And y'all know I want to do cartwheels all over the house and everything. And I'm very happy and I'm very pleased. And thank you guys for hanging in there with me. Thank you guys for watching what I'm doing. And just thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I'm going to prepare dinner. Well, I've prepared dinner. I'm going to dish up the place because my dad is in there. He's standing over to the side. Just wait. Okay. So he said, when this girl going to get done? When she going to shut up? Get off the camera and let them people go so I can eat. So I'm getting ready to do that. And again, thank you for watching. And until the next video, I'll see you guys. Thank you.